I'm going to tell you the 8 things you need to know before buying your first investment property, and we're starting right now. What's going on? I'm Steph from the piu.co.za, and in this video we'll be looking at the 8 things you need to know before buying your first investment property and how this can help you grow your property investment portfolio fast. If this is your first time here, start by subscribing and clicking the bell so you never miss another video or live property webinar. Also head over to the Facebook page where interactive discussions between members like you can ensure you stay in the loop when it comes to your next property investment. While you are there, check out the piu.co.za where you can join our mailing list to receive free updates on distressed properties in your area. Although there are numerous examples of people who have earned themselves a fortune with real estate investment, real estate, like any other business, has many risks associated with it. Moreover, regardless of the type of property you are purchasing or whether you plan to rent or resell it afterwards, investing in real estate requires a good amount of cash, which makes it critical to take extra measures to ensure profit on your investment or at least save yourself a huge loss. I've observed a shortage of property in good areas over the past few months. The lack of property creates an excellent opportunity for investment. However, it doesn't mean that anybody can earn a fortune by investing in real estate. You need to know a lot of things before buying your first real estate investment property. Number 1, don't let your emotions play with you. Most of the time when buying a home, people listen to their heart more than actually thinking about it logically, which is perfectly fine, when it is the place where you will be living for many years of your life. But don't let your emotions affect your decision when buying your first investment property. Thinking of it as a purely business investment and logically negotiate to get the best possible price. Remember, the lower the price you pay for the property, the better the odds are that you will earn a higher profit from it. Number 2, do your research. Depending on the sellers you are targeting, you need to do proper research before buying your first investment property. Make sure that the property is situated in a location that will attract the type of clients you hope to sell or rent to, that it will the returns you are expecting, and that it will appeal to the market. Doing the proper researching and using an analytical approach logically based on the financial factors rather than considering your personal likes and dislikes will surely help you in purchasing the best property. After all, investing isn't about emotions, it's about economics. Number 3, secure a down payment. Looking at the distressed properties we offer, you will always need a down payment or deposit, if you will. This is because distressed properties are distressed because they are in arrears, either with a bond or the municipality or both. You will need to understand that the payment of arrears will always be for the buyer's account. Distressed properties that are facing repossession always needs a deposit to make sure the bond account is current in order to stop the auction. Having a large deposit also makes negotiation a lot easier. Number 4, calculate expenses and profit beforehand. Start with calculating the money that you already have and what you can borrow before buying your first investment property. Next, calculate how much it would cost to purchase and renovate the house. Also keep in mind this operational cost. Finally, estimate the price you are going to list the property for and cut out the expenses. You get a rough estimate of the profit you stand to make. Honestly speaking, you may not even hit half of the estimated profit, but this calculation is necessary to keep yourself in the safe zone. Number 5, select a low-cost home as your first investment property. Even if you're ready to invest millions in your first investment property, it is always a good idea to go for properties that lie in the middle to low range priced brackets. Some experts suggest a house that doesn't cost more than 750,000 Rand. Don't forget, you will need to spend more money on the renovations of the house before renting or selling it. Furthermore, since it's your first investment property, keeping your investment as low as possible will help you stay in the safe zone again. Even if you don't hit the expected profits, you won't risk losing too much on it. Number 6, pay your debts. As a new investor buying their first investment property, you might need to consider the investment loan options. One should be carrying debt as the investment portfolio. You must clear off all your debts, student loan, medical bills, etc. before starting out in real estate. I have a video on repairing and preparing your credit score for investments listed below. Number 7, consider how you want to finance. There are a large number of options available when it comes to creatively funding your first investment property. Choosing the right option that could make a positive difference in your financial situation requires a lot of research. Different financing options can come with different benefits, and the best possible option depends on your situation. However, you need to consider features such as which loan option is giving you the freedom to split the credit, if it provides you with a line of credit facility. Have a look at my video on creative funding ideas. Number 8. Choose your partners very carefully. Many people consider partnering up with their friends instead of taking an investment loan to start a real estate business. First-time investors need to carefully consider many factors while choosing partners, such as how comfortable they are with them and the implications of a partnership agreement. Like every other business, investing in real estate can go either way. You could earn a good chunk of money or might turn into a disastrous experience. If you follow the smart tips and play it safe from the start, you will surely be on the winning side. If you enjoyed this video series and would like to see more, remember to hit that subscribe button. If you want, no pressure. And if you want to stalk me on social media, links to my Facebook and Instagram are down below. I hope to see you soon.